Hey folks, welcome to our YouTube channel. You're watching Mithaas Services official YouTube channel, and in this video of our free course, I'm going to talk about the roadmap that you should have as a content writer. Well, the first thing that you need to keep in mind is read. Read blogs, read articles, read free books, read on Kindle, read anywhere that you want. Read as much as you can. The best way of creating great content is to consume great content as well. So watch web series that you feel can help you in your creative process. Read articles that can really help you in stimulating your ideas as well. After you have read what you want to write, go on to the next step. Step number 2 is to curate. What does the word curate means? It means getting all your strength in one place and putting it as a content writer's portfolio. A portfolio would have your strength, your skill set, your qualifications, and the samples of writing that you have worked upon. Once you have curated everything in one place, step number 3 is to reach out to people who have a similar mindset like you. There is a myth that any client is a good client. I personally believe that work with people who share a similar vision for content like you do. Content writing is very subjective, and therefore if you go with someone who is having a different vision, it will be a tough journey for you. Identify companies, identify interests in the companies, and go ahead with the companies that you feel can make you learn a lot. Once you have applied, start learning, start upgrading yourself, innovate in your content, and identify what is your USP as a content writer. There has to be that one thing that differentiates you from the rest of the world. Find it out and start, highlighting it in all the applications that you send out. If you follow these 4 super simple steps, you can actually make the journey of your content writing freelancing career much more interesting and smoother. So if you like this video and you felt it helped you even a bit, do not hesitate in subscribing to the channel right away. If you're new here, check the description for our workshop links and keep following us on Instagram as well. See you and keep writing.